Happy New Year guys, this is Arjun and today I have this Red Gear gaming mouse. Let's see what we have on this box. On the front side we get a Red Gear logo and the image of the mouse. And this mouse comes with 4 DPI options. It has 8 keys and it is powered by blue sensor. On the left side it says 3200 DPI full speed, gold plated USB connector, 6 button and a mouse with rubber coating. On the back side we get a full explanation for 8 keys, which includes left click, right click, scrolling, forward, backward, DPI selector, scroll up and down. This mouse has 4 different color variants and I have this mouse in black color. Below you can see the system requirements. This model is a Dragon War ELE G-11 Emera and it cost you around 499 Indian rupees. Let's open this box up. Again we get the Red Gear logo when we lift up the cardboard. Inside this box we get a mouse wrapped in a plastic kind of a material. This is the only thing that we get inside the box. Let's put this box on the side and take out our mouse from this packing. The build quality and the design of this mouse is amazing. And we get this 1.8 meter nylon braided cable which feels very strong. Here we have a scroll wheel with click, and the material used on the top of the mouse is a mixture of rubber and plastic which makes it grippy. Here we have a DPI switcher and on the side we get a left and a right key. On the left side of the mouse we get forward and backward buttons and they are pretty useful. I will show you in a little while. On the bottom of the mouse we get blue sensor and a Dragon War artwork with model number. So that's all we have on the mouse. Now at the end of this cable we get a gold plated USB connector which also feels very strong and premium. Let's plug this mouse in and see how it works. As it says on the box, we get a blue sensor down here. Clicks are very responsive and the grip of the mouse is also good, and the plus point is that you can use these side buttons to go forward and backward on Windows Phone without pressing the on-screen backward and forward buttons. The scroll wheel is also working as expected, and you can also use these side buttons in browsers to go forward and backward on web pages. These side buttons are very useful and I think it will change your overall web surfing experience. So this is it guys. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, and want more videos in the future, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the timely update from this channel. Until then, that's been it. Talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.